This vehicle is a steering wheel electric flatbed customized by Hainan Profit Material Handling Equipment Co., Ltd. The flatbed is 4 meters long, 2.1 meters wide, and 90 centimeters high, with a load capacity of 50 tons. It is powered by a battery, featuring a high safety factor, long cruising range, and simple, easy operation. The caster wheels are equipped with customized differential steering omnidirectional wheels, capable of rotating in place, moving forward and backward. It is driven by 4 sets of secondary motors, allowing precise control of travel distance and rotation angle with smooth and flexible operation. The sides are equipped with multiple reserved lifting coils for installing a jib crane. The vehicle is operated using an industrial-grade remote control for parking and movement operations, and includes a LiDAR obstacle avoidance sensor that automatically stops when detecting pedestrians. Profit electric flatbeds have many years of rich product experience. Contact us for an immediate quote.